Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of aquarium care, focusing on a topic that many aquarium enthusiasts might overlook: driftwood. Driftwood not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your tank but also plays a crucial role in improving water quality and promoting the health of your fish. So, let's embark on this journey to discover how driftwood can transform your aquatic environment. Driftwood, often sourced from rivers and lakes, comes in various shapes, sizes, and types. Whether it's Malaysian driftwood, spiderwood, or Mopani wood, each type offers unique benefits to your aquarium. But how does this natural element positively impact water quality and fish health? Let's explore. First is natural filtration system. One of the primary benefits of driftwood is its ability to act as a natural filtration system. Driftwood releases tannins into the water, which can help reduce pH levels and create a more stable and suitable environment for certain species of fish and plants. These tannins are natural organic compounds that can help in controlling algae growth and bacteria. Tannins also have antibacterial properties. By releasing these substances, driftwood can help reduce harmful bacteria in the water, thereby promoting a healthier environment for your fish. It can be particularly beneficial for species that thrive in slightly acidic conditions, such as many South American cichlids and tetras. Second is enhances aesthetic appeal and provides hiding spots. Beyond its functional benefits, driftwood significantly enhances the aesthetic appeal of your aquarium. Its unique texture and colors add a natural look to your tank, making it more visually appealing. Additionally, driftwood provides excellent hiding spots and shelters for your fish, which is essential for the mental well-being. Fish that have places to hide feel more secure and are less stressed, which can lead to healthier and more active fish. Third, promotes biological filtration. Driftwood also supports biological filtration. The porous nature of driftwood provides a surface for beneficial bacteria to colonize. These bacteria play a crucial role in breaking down waste products and converting harmful substances into less toxic forms. By supporting the growth of these beneficial bacteria, driftwood helps maintain a balanced and healthy aquarium ecosystem. Fourth is tips for using driftwood in your aquarium. While driftwood offers numerous benefits, it's essential to prepare and maintain it correctly. First is soaking. Before adding driftwood to your tank, soak it in water for several days to weeks. This process helps remove excess tannins and prevents floating. Second is boiling. Boiling driftwood is another method to sanitize it and remove unwanted contaminants. This step is particularly crucial if you are using driftwood from outdoor sources. Third is monitoring water quality. Keep an eye on your aquarium water parameters, especially pH and tannins levels, to ensure they remain within suitable ranges for your fish and plants. Fourth is regular maintenance. Driftwood can attract algae and detritus over time. Regular cleaning and maintenance are necessary to prevent buildup and ensure optimal conditions for your aquatic life. Fifth is driftwood and plant growth. Driftwood is not just beneficial for fish, it also supports plant growth. Many aquatic plants such as anubias and java fern thrive when attached to driftwood. The presence of driftwood provides these plants with a secure anchoring point, allowing them to grow and flourish. In turn, these plants contribute to the overall health of the aquarium by enhancing oxygen levels and offering additional filtration. Sixth is considerations for different aquatic species. It's important to consider the specific needs of your aquatic species when incorporating driftwood into your tank. Some fish prefer harder water conditions and might not thrive in an environment influenced by driftwood tannins. Researching the natural habitat of your fish species can help you determine if driftwood is suitable for their needs. So, summary. In summary, driftwood offers a range of benefits for your aquarium, from improving water quality to providing essential hiding spots for your fish. It's natural, beautiful, and a functional addition that can enhance both the appearance and health of your aquatic environment. By understanding and utilizing driftwood correctly, you can create a thriving, balanced ecosystem for your fish and plants. So, thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of driftwood. We hope this information helps you make the most of this incredible natural resource. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave any questions or comments below. Happy fish keeping, everyone.